Hey guys, Minecraft here, and I'm back with another video. It's kind of like a heads up video, like my first one. I'm just saying that my original YouTube account that I'm using now, I'm only gonna have this video and then the next one, because I'm actually moving accounts. The reason why is because I couldn't actually change the name of it, because I wanted my PSN Minecraft name, Minecraft Plays MC. I wanted that as my name on it, but it wasn't letting me, so something about name policy or something. But so that's why I'm moving accounts. I'll say I've actually forgotten the name of it. It's kind of bad, but I will be saying it in the next video on this original account. I will be, also on this new account I will be doing the original Skyland challenge stuff, like survivals, adventure maps, parkour maps, and all that. I'll also be joined by friends a lot more. Mostly Will. Probably, mostly Will. But I will be joined by other friends as well. Because this is like a shared account, so it's gonna be with friends, obviously. But yeah, that's all I've got to say. So look forward to new account. Please subscribe to it. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can leave comments in this video or the next one saying you should keep the account, you should keep the new account and do the videos on that one, or keep this account and do it on this one. It don't matter what the name costs. It don't matter. But I would personally make it different. I mean, the name's not exactly Minecraft Plays MC, but it's got that in the name. But yeah, please like. Put in the comments what you think I should do. Oh, goodness sake. 1 minute. Sorry about this. Sorry about that. Will tried to call me. But I don't think there's anything else to say. Except bye. So yeah, please subscribe to the new account. I think I already said that. So yeah.